Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to turn your followers into connections or links on LinkedIn, step by step. If you want to grow your professional network and build stronger relationships, this tutorial is for you. Now, on your LinkedIn dashboard, if you see that a person is only being followed and you want this to turn into a connection, here is what you need to do. If you want to connect, go to the profile logo in the upper right part of your LinkedIn dashboard. You will see a drag down arrow here. Once you are here, you will see the Settings and Privacy option. Just click on Settings and Privacy. Now, once you are in the Settings and Privacy section, hover your mouse and click on Visibility. Under Visibility, you will find Connection Visibility. Now, all you have to do is to turn this on so that you can connect with them, not just follow. Once you return to your profile, you will see right away that some now have the Connect option. Now, you can start connecting with them, not just following. It will now automatically follow. As you can see, it is now set to connect, not just follow. You can start connecting with them now in your LinkedIn info panel. This tutorial will help you convert LinkedIn followers into direct connections so you can engage more personally and expand your professional opportunities. It will guide you through identifying followers, sending the connection request, and optimizing your profile for better networking results. Now you know how to turn your followers into connections on LinkedIn.